Hello everyone. In this quick video, I will show you how you can set the default value for your combo box and will make it conditional. So whenever user selects the form control to add a new record, then status value will have in progress by default. But if they choose the existing record, then combo box should display the current value for that field. This is one of the ways that we can improve user experience so that they can just click few clicks when they fill out the new form. Let's get started. In our previous video, we built a Canvas app on top of SharePoint list. So here is the app. Very simple app. We have one screen with gallery control showing the records from our SharePoint list, and we have another screen showing the details of the existing records. Users also can click plus icon to add a new records and click submit, and this will save it on our back end. And if you click data icon, you can see we have two SharePoint lists. Service request list is our database, and service value list is another list that we pull different values for our drop-down controls. So let's get started with the idea of setting the default values. So whenever users click plus icon to add a new record, this is usually going to be in pending. But still users needs to select the value manually and then start filling out the rest of the fields. So what we will do, we will make status combo box have a default value whenever users start filling out the new record. To do that, we will first select the data card in our form control. As you know, cards themselves contain controls, and the controls of card make up the experience for displaying and editing a single field column. So we will go ahead and customize our card. To do that, select the card, click Advanced, and unlock the change properties. Then we want to customize our combo box, right? So click the combo box, select. So if you look at the items, it says choices from our SharePoint list, and the field here is status. Come to the default selected items. Right now it's set to parent the default, but we will remove. For the default selected items, I will say if our form, which is my form here, you can see the form name, dot mode equals form mode dot new, then filter choices of my service request list and status column, another comma, we'll say value equals in progress, close the quotes and close the parentheses, another comma, and this item is status, and close the brackets, format the text. Now if you look at here, we see that now our default value set to the in progress and our form mode is new. So if we hover over filter here, we will see that this filters in progress from our choices, which we have right now 4 values for our combo box, but this only selects in progress value when the form mode is new. Let's go ahead and play. So let's come back. So if I click plus icon, you can see by default status set to in progress. I can go ahead and fill out the form now. It's a requester, service category, query, and I will select today. Okay, and then click submit. So if I scroll down, you can see that we just added a new record. If I click existing record, this will show the record details. I can change this to, let's say, approved, click submit. And this time, if I click one more time, as you can see, this will display the current value for the field. So this will apply only if the form mode is new. So this is how you can set the default value for your combo box. Hope this was helpful. If you liked it, please give thumbs up and subscribe for more Power Apps and Power Automate tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.